face-off between the opposition led by Rahul Gandhi and the government over Tuesday's unruly scenes in the Lok Sabha has sharply escalated. Rahul Gandhi has now written directly to the Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, alleging that at the behest of the Modi government, he is being deliberately silenced. In his letter, the leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha warns of a concerted attempt to block his voice, calling it a blot on democracy. In fact, Rahul Gandhi has urged the Speaker to uphold parliamentary convention and also safeguard not just his rights, but those of the entire opposition, calling it the Speaker's constitutional responsibility. But the government has hit back. Senior ministers accused Rahul Gandhi of violating House rules, defying the chair, and then playing the victim. This comes in the wake of chaotic scenes in the Lok Sabha after Rahul Gandhi was allegedly not allowed to speak on an article linked to former Army Chief General Naravne's unpublished memoir. In protest, opposition MPs allegedly stormed the well of the House, climbed tables, tore papers, and hurled them towards the chair. 8 opposition MPs have been suspended for unruly conduct, with the government demanding an apology for what it calls a direct insult to the Speaker's chair.
If the issue is about me quoting a magazine which I have authenticated, I am happy not to quote it directly. No problem. But I have to be allowed to speak about it.
Honorable LOP,
You have,
Shri
Speaker,
Rahul
sir.
Gandhi ji,
Chairman,
please
sir. Chairman,
listen.
sir. Chairman, sir.
You have been given permission to speak on the Honorable President's speech.
I am speaking
What
on
are you telling? What permission are telling to LOP?
Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
Sir, Speaker, sir.
and yesterday-
One second. Speaker, sir.
Permit
Sir,
him to
Speaker,
speak.
sir.
What is this?
Sir, Speaker,
Sir.
1 second.
Sir, sir.
1 second. Speaker, sir.
Sir, yesterday, Honorable Speaker has
it
given
is
a
not a
ruling.
permission that I am being given, Speaker, sir. I am not being given a permission.
What is the permission?
I am the leader of opposition of this country. You are not giving me permission.
He is the leader of
It is my
Under
right.
Rule 349, under Rule 349, no. Honorable Speaker has given a ruling under Rule 349. Under Rule 349, Honorable Speaker has already given a ruling. And if you don't want LOP sir to speak, I'll have to give you opportunity to others to speak.
राहुल गांधी बार बार सेम चीज रिपीट करता है कि बोलने नहीं देते हैं और हम लोग उल्टा उसको कह रहे हैं कि आप बोलिए। वो बोलता है नियम से बाहर बोलेंगे। जो लोकसभा राज्यसभा में जो रूल्स ऑफ बिजनेस प्रोसीजर है ना, जो कंडक्ट करने का रूल्स होते हैं, ये रूल्स हमने नहीं बनाया। ये रूल्स राहुल गांधी जी के दादा दादी के समय में बनाया है। रूल ही नहीं मानता ये, फिर बाहर आके बोलता है कि बोलने नहीं देते। अरे हम परेशान हो चुके हैं, जल्दी बोलो। हम वेट करके थक गए हैं, जल्दी बोलो, मगर नियम से बोलो, नियम के तहत बोलिए।
हम पार्लियामेंट में बोलना चाहते थे इसके बारे में, लेकिन हम सबने देखा वो भद्दा दृश्य, जिस प्रकार से विपक्ष, विशेषकर राहुल गांधी जी के नेतृत्व में कांग्रेस पार्टी और उनके मित्र पक्ष डीएमके, तृणमूल कांग्रेस, समाजवादी पार्टी, कितना भद्दा व्यवहार आज उन्होंने पार्लियामेंट में किया। माननीय अध्यक्ष जी की आसन तक पहुंचकर उनका अपमान किया। मैं घोर निंदा करता हूं विपक्ष की, राहुल गांधी जी की।